Here we go. What's going on, Excel fanatics? Verdexes here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly group ranges of numbers into categories. So what do I mean by that? In this example here, say if you're a teacher, right? You have your students' grades lined up, but you need to translate them into a letter grade. So now you could write that in manually, of course, but maybe if you have like 30 to 50 students, you don't want to take the time to do that if you don't have to. What you can do here is use the lookup function. On the right is your grading scale here, right? So yeah, I did mention VLOOKUP, but I'm going to reference another formula because it's even quicker in this situation, is the regular lookup. I've actually talked about the comparison between the two in another video of mine. But what you can do here, right, very quickly do equals lookup. Now I want to look up this value and then highlight this array. And then that's it. I'm going to close it and I'm going to drag it down. Okay, so that didn't work. Why didn't that work? The only caveat here is that you just have to remember when you're using the numbers, you actually need to make sure that the reference table is sorted from a low to high. And voila. So if you can see here, I purposely picked numbers in between the ranges here, so that way it would fill in the gap. Because if I didn't, if I used a regular VLOOKUP where it was an exact match, so say if I was trying to find 84, it's not going to find 84 here. So lookup actually doesn't use an exact match, it uses a close enough match. So if I can just show here, so if I just want to kind of prove to make sure that this works, if I look at Derek, who got a 71. So a 71 is between these two. So it's in that range, right? So 70 to 75. So that would still be in the C minus range, so that worked. An 84 for a B minus, that's in that range as well. That would be in between these two numbers. So it seems like, and Thomas, whoo, yeah, well done. So anything above 100, actually, the lookup automatically applied as an A plus as well, which would be correct. So yeah, so hopefully that was a nice, quick, and easy way for you to figure that out. Again, this can be applied to maybe ranges of numbers. If you're in accounting, maybe you want to group certain values together. But again, whenever you're doing something like this, always just make sure you double check your work to make sure that it worked the way you intended. But otherwise, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.